बताएगा। 6 गेंदों पर 6 रन चाहिए और अभी भी यहाँ पर सतीश दोनों टीमों के लिए समान अवकाश है और देखना यह है कि इस अंतिम ओवर में कौन सी टीम विजय दर्ज करते हुए इस श्रृंखला के मेगा फाइनल में प्रवेश करती है। तो चलते हैं अंतिम ओवर की ओर, आप आगे बढ़ाइए सतीश।
Well, Gopi, the Akram is a so experienced bowler. He's been asked to bowl that last and final over. Need to be, because only the experienced the players can handle the pressure. Here is Akram. Bowls, first delivery. The batsman just tapping the ball inside. Oh, that was a run-out chance. The fielder then the short-term manager in one trying his level best. Oh, they're going for the second chance of run-out. Is that necessary here? I don't think so. Might be the batsman almost settled for the single. I think Salim. But his partner is not happy with this partner. Look at that one replay. Ball is just away from the wicketkeeper and Rilwan trying for the run out. Missed the ball completely from his hand. And that time non-striker wanted to come back for the second run. But it's too late here. And yes, he's out. 36 for the loss of 4 wickets. Just 5 runs required for the victory. So 5 runs required for the victory. What a game of cricket we are having. The 1 runs taken, but 1 wickets fall. Now 5 balls remaining. 5 runs required for the victory. And more than anything else, Gopi, if the match is tied, then it's going to be a super over of 3 deliveries. And in this underlight condition, the 3 deliveries of a super over, because there is no super over yet played in this tournament. And will it go into a super over? Wait and see. Now 5 to get from 5 deliveries. But Fast Track Warriors doesn't want to see the super over of 3 deliveries, but they wanted to finish the match. For that, they need to get 5 runs from 5 deliveries. Akram from the far end. Right arm over the wicket. Bowls. Batsman tries that one right in the gap towards the deep backward score. Like Richard, they complete a single. Looking for the fumble from the fielder. In comes the throw from the deep end. Batsman hit that couple of runs. They completed that couple of runs because of that couple of runs, I think, released. The pressure is down. Pressure is off because now have to get another 3 runs out of 4 deliveries. Even they can play 1 dotted delivery, no problem whatsoever. But they have to get 3 runs from remaining 4 deliveries. But I think Akram is being the experienced campaigner for the side of Torpedoes Ghana. He has to bowl 2 good deliveries if they wanted to back into this game. Otherwise, I think Fast Track Warriors definitely going to win this match. Akram, right arm over the wicket, balls. That's one ball, caught and bowled. Caught and bowled. What a fantastic reflection catch taken there by the Akram there. Now once again match is evenly poised. Now match is, look at that catch. Absolutely fantastic reaction catch coming from Akram there. Batsman going for the drive, got a top edge. On his follow through, Akram extending his right hand, takes a wonderful catch and sending Dangerman back on strike, back into pavilion. Now 3 to get from 3 deliveries. Once again Gopi's match is turning out. Once it was a 2 runs is taken, we all thought that now Fast Track Warriors will going to win the match. And immediately after this, after that 2 runs, they've taken a wicket of well settled batsman Salim. Now new batsman coming into the middle. Taslim into the middle now. 3 to get from 3 deliveries. What a great game of cricket we are having here. Certainly the organizers must be pleased with this. Absolutely, they wanted to see such kind of the finish for the semi-final. Even the spectators here in UCG, even those who are watching the 2K viewers of YouTube through Bedra Media, they definitely wanted to see this match is going to be a nail-biting finish. Here is Akram. Bowling, 2 to get from 2 deliveries. Taslim rotating the strike here. Now 2 to get from 2 deliveries. Is a new batsman, the young talented Aman is back on strike. Now everything is tested now. I think the cameraman not getting enough light to give some quality coverages here. And Irfan saying sorry for that. And quite understandable not having that much of light here. But he have to deal with just 2 deliveries. You have to wait for the 2 deliveries. How 2 deliveries is going to be, I don't know. Heartbeat is mounting up. 2 deliveries remaining. 2 runs here get. Here is umpire says dead ball. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Roland Pinto immediately saying that when stride is over from the bowler, then no chance at all for making any munked out. The batsman almost walking down the track of the bowling of Akram. Akram quickly stopped his run off tried to make a run out in a non-cycle and immediately umpire interfering, Roland Pinto, seeing that gentleman game, and already this tried and make an action to deliver the ball. Now 2 to get from 2 deliveries. What an excitement match is going on here. Here is the next one. Ball, missed it! Missed it! This is going to be a fantastic comeback. Akram not really left this game. As Aman is the man who put his team into deep trouble. Now 1 ball's remaining and 2 runs to get. And 1 ball's remaining, 2 runs to get. If the match is tied, then going to be a super 3 deliveries. Little question, super over of the 3 deliveries. Will it going to be a super over of 3 deliveries? Is it possible? That was definitely left to the organizers and umpires. But more than anything else, I think I would like to say, Neeraj is walking towards the middle. It's very interesting to see. The local hero, the man who's got a lot of fan behind him, he's got a chance here to get some winning runs and become the hero after a long time. Is definitely, this ground is one of his favorite ground. He's achieved a lot of things in this ground, and now he's got opportunity. But we'd like to appreciate Neeraj in this condition. He is just having a bat in his hand. That is called cricketer. This is what you call the guts, the bravery decision coming from Neeraj, because he know I can do this. But even Akram, he also saying same thing, I can do this. But after picking up for 2 wickets, he is also very confident. The bowler is a confidence, batsman is confident. Wait and see who will going to win the race. 1 ball remaining, 2 runs for the victory. Here you go, tapping the ball in the gap, completed, skipping for 2, pummel from the fielder, coming from the throw, and match is tied. Now match is tied. What a great semi-final we had. Outstanding and astonishing the match here. Absolutely. This is going to be more interesting to see that the super over of the 3 deliveries, will it going to be possible here? Will the 2 teams agree for that super 3 deliveries of in this condition? That's going to be the interesting, up to the umpires, up to the organizers, and of course up to the 2 captains of both the teams. But match is tied. Now it's going to be the 3 deliveries super over. So from the commentary box and round the wicket, bowler Rilwan having short fine leg, deep backward square leg, deep long on, short mid. There is a short cover point, there is a short mid off, there is a 2 deep extra cover, there is a deep long off. A very interesting field set here. Rilwan bowling the first delivery of the super over. Balls, just a wicket keeper missed it. Batsman going for the run, chance of run out, missed it. Imran got the first run. Bin, not the correction, is from the bike. It's from the bat. Imran says that it's from the bat. And first run comes up here for Fast Track Warriors. 1 without loss of any wicket. Now Tanzim is the batsman, came into middle. Torpedoes Khana captain really not bother about that single. You know exactly, need to restrict the big shots like boundaries, big shots like a 6. Of course, a couple and 3 runs suddenly is going to be better to stop. But getting a single, I think Torpedoes Khana will not going to bother about that singles. But Fast Track Warriors, if they wanted to put any pressure on the batsmen of Torpedoes Khana, at least 10 runs or 8 runs might be good run. Even more than 6. It's going to be a very interesting match. Now 2 deliveries left. And Imran having some conversation with the Tanzim. Maybe he's talking about the strategy of the batting, the kind of technique to be implemented in the remaining 2 deliveries to get some runs here. Wait and see. Rilwan bowling, right arm round the balls. This time, again the top edge, again the batsman going for the single, not more than a single. The Rilwan winning the race in the first 2 deliveries. Bowling 2 excellent tidy deliveries. Tanzim wanted a big shot on the onside region, gone outside edge of the bat, and just a single for him. Now last delivery remaining in the innings of Fast Track Warriors. Last delivery, Joy, very experienced Akram coming towards a bowler that no need to relax here. The need to bowl one good delivery after bowling two good deliveries. But Imran, being the experienced campaigner, is just testing the direction of the wind, where it was very important for the batsman as the shot selection is concerned. The final delivery of the innings of Fastech Warriors. Right arm down the wicket, improvising that one, very fine, bowling down to deep batsman boundary, 4 runs. Fastech Warriors has got the runs what they wanted in these final deliveries. This is a cricket. This is a cricket. This is a cricket. Imran got the reverse sweep, using the face and using the mind. This is very important in cricket. In not only using the face of that bowler, but he just using his mind in that final delivery. Delicately played. Reverse sweep comes into play right in the gap, and 6 runs they got. And Gopi, I think Gopi has become one of the spectators out here. Even he was just forgetting that he is in the commentary box. He's just enjoying the game of cricket. Gopi, please come, because already we are sharing 3 overs each, but in this match we have to share 3 deliveries. That's why you are relaxing. I am going to hand over the microphone to you for that another 3 deliveries. And what do you think? That 4 deliveries of the 4 runs of the final deliveries. I think Fastech Warriors must be pleased with this score. 6 runs in 3 deliveries. Asking run rate 2 runs per delivery.
स्ट्रोक्स लगाना जरूरी है फास्टैग टॉर्पेडोस खाना के बल्लेबाज के लिए। तो 3 गेंदें, अगर 6 रन 3 गेंदों की शुरुआत यहां पर की जाए सुपर 3 डिलीवरीज के अंतर्गत, और पहली गेंद लेकर इस वक्त तस्लीम तैयार अकरम के लिए, दाहिने हाथ ओवर द विकेट। बिल्कुल सन्नाटे भरा माहौल, पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस मैदान पर छा चुका है। दर्शक खामोशी के साथ इस वक्त मैच का मुआयना करते हुए 3 गेंदों में बनाने हैं 7 रन विजय के लिए। 7 रिक्वायर्ड इन 3 डिलीवरीज टू क्वालिफाई फॉर द मेगा फाइनल ऑफ दिस कॉम्पिटिशन। हियर वी गो। तस्लीम गेंदबाजी इस वक्त शुरू करते हुए, अकरम सामना करने के लिए तैयार। पहली गेंद, ये गेंद अकरम के लिए, गेंद को ड्राइव करना था, तस्लीम पहुंचे लेकिन थ्रो करना उन्होंने मुलाजिम नहीं समझा। इंटेलिजेंट थिंकिंग। 6 रन अब बनाने हैं 2 गेंदों पर। तस्लीम जानते हैं थ्रो करते हैं वहां पर अगर ओवर थ्रो होता तो दूसरा रन बल्लेबाज को मिल सकता था, तो इस वजह से उन्होंने रिस्क उठाना मुनासिब नहीं समझा। और जहां तक सवाल है इस मैच का, तो 4 के व्यूअर्स इस श्रृंखला का इस वक्त सीधा प्रसारण देखते हुए, जो बद्रा मीडिया इस वक्त लाइव कवरेज दे रहे हैं यूट्यूब पर, जनाब इरफान इनके सारथी में, निस्संदेह बेहतरीन लाइव टेलीकास्ट और एक बेहतरीन क्रिकेट श्रृंखला। 2 गेंदें 6 रन चाहिए, और शरीफ बैक ऑन स्ट्राइक। और जहां तक शरीफ का सवाल है, उनके पास वो क्षमता एबिलिटी मौजूद है कि करारे स्ट्रोक्स लगा सकें। तो जहां तक सवाल है, शरीफ का इस वक्त सामना करने के लिए तैयार। और इस 3 गेंदों के मैच के बाद 10 मिनट का ब्रेक दिया जाएगा, द ब्रेक ऑफ 10 मिनट्स। उसके बाद मेगा फाइनल मैच 8 ओवर का खेला जाएगा। Final match, the mega final match will be played of 8 overs right after the 10 minutes break, right after this match. और इस बीच फील्डिंग में जमावट कर चुके हैं। शरीफ सामना करने के लिए तैयार, और कुछ समझाते हुए इस वक्त तस्लीम को उनके टीम के अन्य खिलाड़ी। और शरीफ सामना करते हुए इस वक्त 7 रन चाहिए 2 गेंदों पर। तस्लीम दाहिने हाथ ओवर द विकेट, 7 of 2 डिलीवरीज। हियर वी गो। दाहिने हाथ ओवर द विकेट, और इस बार 6 रन के लिए। सो दिस इज एन एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक पीस ऑफ वर्क। और शरीफ का जहां तक सवाल है, मैंने फरमाया था केपीएल के पिछले ऋतु में उन्होंने छक्का लगाकर विजय दिलाई थी, और जैसे ही मैंने फरमाया यहां पर शरीफ ने छक्का लगाया और पूरा काम तमाम यहां पर कर दिया। निस्संदेह दैट वाज इन मिडल ऑफ द बैट कनेक्टेड। जस्ट लुक एट दिस। गेंद पहुंची थी लंगोन के बाहर डीप मिड विकेट पर, और इस छक्के के साथ टॉर्पेडोस खाना आर थ्रू टू द मेगा फाइनल ऑफ दिस कॉम्पिटिशन। एंड नाउ द बिग फिनाले ऑफ केपीएल Season 6 2021 is now coming up right after 10 minutes break between Topodoskana versus Gori Young Boys, and that match coming up right after 10 minutes break, and we'll be back right after the 10 minutes break with my friend Satish in English. Thank you.
ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದವರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಲೈವ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ವೀರಭದ್ರ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಮುಖೇನವಾಗಿ.